Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and finally after a few months I'm vlogging again. I really missed it, and today I'm going to show you a little bit more about Ubud and few waterfalls which are still unexplored. So just arrived here and now I'm gonna meet the rest of the group. I'm just paying my Go Jack, Makasih. And the transfer from Canggu to Ubud with GoJack is around $4.50, so it's not so expensive. Okay guys, we finally got our driver and now we are going to explore the unexplored waterfalls in Ubud. Girls are happy. This is our driver, look at that. And it's the car, ready to go. So after 1 hour and a half driving from Ubud, we finally arrived at the first location. We didn't stop before to get to waterfalls because the waterfalls are actually 2 hours from Ubud. And the first stop is going to be one of the most famous gates in the world, I'd say, not just in Bali. So let's check it out together. So you have to pay the ticket, and there's actually also a queue for getting the best spot to take a picture. So we are going now to be in that queue. So we have just finished our shooting. It took us around 40 minutes to get there and take some couple of shots. And I actually managed to do my drone as well, but people were asking me money. Never pay for this. So happy I got the shot. And now let's go to the waterfalls. So we are arrived at the waterfall with girls behind me. They're so happy. Let's see how they look like. So we are walking in the jungle at the moment, and there are also lovely ladies selling waters because there are many steps to get down the waterfalls. These waterfalls are called Munduk waterfalls. They are not so famous and explored as other waterfalls in Bali, so I'm really looking forward to show you how they look like, and I'm pretty sure that you will enjoy the experience. So we arrived to the first waterfall. Beautiful. So guys, to reach the second waterfall is going to be another 10 minutes walking, but as you can see the weather is not helping us. And here we are to the second waterfall. Hello, Pagi. So you can leave the bag actually to this lovely lady. Makasih. And now the steps to the waterfall. Good luck to us.